Good morning and welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you as always for stopping by. I hope the week has gone well. Currency markets, euro dollar 112.80, the dollar index 97.08, Japanese yen 110.42, Swiss franc 10050, the pound 128.13 now, the Australian dollar 0.7087, India rupee 71.2545, South Korean won 11.2817, Brazilian real 372.34, Egyptian pound 17.538, and the rand 14.1526. This went from hero in January, up 7%, best performing currency in the world, to basically zero in February when it's given up every single centime of its gains. Dollar index, this is a 1-year chart, my target, and I've been consistent even when everyone else was, 99% of people were talking about the top. My target is 100-year term. Euro dollars trading very sticky, 112.80, but I still think it's going down. Interestingly, JP Morgan has successfully tested a cryptocurrency, the JPM coin. It plans to use in trials for clients of its wholesale payments business. A prototype digital coin that it plans to use to speed up payments between corporate customers, according to a statement on Thursday. The token, dubbed the JPM coin, is based on blockchain technology. Many of our clients move money in different ways, and they're looking for a more real-time way to move value around, said Umar Farouk, head of Digital Treasury Services and Blockchain, said in an interview. JP Morgan moves more than $5 trillion in wholesale payments each day, so it's a big deal, frankly. It will have a value equivalent to $1 US, and will use JP Morgan's private blockchain. So it'll be an interesting departure. Commodity markets, I liked a chart by Meteo 1970 about gold. Gold is last at 13.15.43, and I made the observation that everybody is long, and that, and then I quoted Ben Bernanke, who said that people hold gold as protection against what we call tail risks, really, really bad outcomes. Crude oil back towards the top of the range, $54.97. We could lift as far as 56, but in my book, it's probably getting close to being a sale. Wall Street Journal, leading on an article about Dubai's property market, observes a one-bedroom apartment at Dubai's Burj Khalifa would fetch $1 million back in 2014. Today, the same apartment goes for less than $550,000. This is a photograph I took of Burj Khalifa one morning. Returning to the Wall Street Journal, Dubai's property prices have fallen by around 25% on average since hitting a peak in 2015, one of the worst performing cities for real estate prices over the past 2 years. Other markets in the Persian Gulf have also underperformed in recent years. City-state of more than 3 million people is one of the world's biggest construction sites. Nearly 1,200 cranes are still active across the city. The only reason the market hasn't bottomed out is simply that there is so much new supply coming on the market, said Craig Plum, head of research for the Middle East and North Africa. And this is a unit of the Bulgari resort and residence, which was sold for $16 million last year, according to Lux Habitat.